and gentlemen, my name is Dr. John Belkowitz. I'm the Director of R&D and Intelligent Concrete. We specialize in making concrete do the impossible. I got some Q&As for you. We get to talk all over the country, all over the world. We meet some awesome people and talk about concrete. We sometimes get these questions that we just don't get a chance to answer, so I want to make sure we get to them. So, ding! How does colloidal silica impact the alkali content of concrete for ASR? And funny, in some cases, the use of colloidal silica, especially if you're using it as an addition and not as a replacement, will bring alkalis and increase your sodium equivalent alkali content for your mix. So, yes, we can bring some alkalis, but that being said, it's a negligible amount. The better colloidal silica dispersions are using a sodium content of around 0.02%, 0.2% sodium and other jazz. So again, it does go in the calculation, and especially if you're going to a higher dosages, it will bring some, but what you're doing for densification kind of outweighs the amount of alkalis, and you'll end up seeing that in your ASR test that you run. So hopefully that answers your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete! Be asphalt! Be asphalt!